What should you do if your tooth gets knocked out in an accident? Hopefully this never happens to you, but save this video just in case you ever need it. First of all, don't panic. If you can find the tooth, pick it up and clear it off. You can rinse the tooth with saliva, and then, if it's possible, try to pop the tooth back in from where it came from. If you can't, just keep the tooth in your mouth or in a cup of milk and find your nearest dentist. If the tooth is long gone, you're going to need to replace it, and you've got several options. On the more affordable and faster end, you can create a partial denture for around $1,500 at the dental office, which will fix the look. Or you can get a dental implant, which will cost significantly more and take a few months to surgically insert, integrate with tissue, and then place a crown on top of the implant. But if you're looking to save a lot of money and order a partial denture that's comfortable and beautiful, I love ResetSmile. They're a service that creates partial dentures for several missing teeth at half the cost of what you'd pay at the dental office. They are dentist-prescribed, custom fabricated partial dentures that are 3D printed using Valplast, which is the same high-quality material that has been used by dentists for over 70 years. And these come out as a perfect match to your teeth without even leaving your house. You can easily order one of these to regain your smile, and it will look good as new.